General Motors' popular full-size trucks and SUVs, such as the Cadillac Escalade, have offered multiple air-assisted suspension packages since they were first introduced in 2000. Arnott offers the widest selection of replacement options for failing Autoride and Magneride suspensions, including 2015 to 2019 GM models. Arnott designed AS-3066 as the ideal aftermarket air-assisted shock for K2 platform vehicles with a failing rear Magneride shock. The Arnott shock, which was engineered in the USA, includes a premium Eibach monotube damper, which has been custom-tuned to deliver consistent control, stability, and comfort. Arnott's aftermarket rear shock bypasses the vehicle's magnetic ride system for trouble-free performance and includes a sensor which eliminates dash panel error messages. The shock, which is assembled in the USA, is built with quality Tier 1 components such as a Goodyear multiply air sleeve, heavy-duty crimping rings, long-lasting O-rings, top cap and mounts. Arnott has been the trusted industry leader in aftermarket air suspension parts since 1989. Trust Arnott. Engineered to ride, built to last.